I think this is a civil and constitutional rights crisis. Let's introduce Elizabeth Boyle. Elizabeth Boyle is an attorney who has practiced in the area of real estate, consumer protection, and civil litigation since 1983. She is licensed to practice law in Florida, Washington, D.C., Virginia, Mississippi, and Maryland, GLS. She has trained other lawyers on mortgage foreclosure defense and litigation of foreclosure rescue fraud cases, and has had some significant legal victories in the areas of this law.
My name is Elizabeth Boyle, and I'm with Gulf Coast Legal Services, and I am a legal aid attorney. The country is facing an absolutely unprecedented wave of foreclosures. Families are losing their homes. Families are losing everything they worked generations to build. Millions of American families are being stampeded through foreclosure. This is wrong. This must stop. Hear, hear. Judicial modification now. If you have a yacht or a vacation home or a casino, you can go into bankruptcy court and you can get that loan crowned down or modified to the fair market value of the property. Because that's the policy our country has adopted, except there's a loophole. First mortgages on principal residences. We need equal justice for homeowners. Homeowners should be able to apply to the court and get a crown down or modification of the first mortgage lien. That's strategy one, New Hope. We want to ask the U.S. Congress, your senators, our Senator Nelson, Senator Rubio, we want them and the representatives. The House of Representatives did pass that in May of 2009, enforcing the Florida constitutional protection of the homestead. The Florida Constitution, the first Florida Constitution, was written in 1868, and it said that the homestead, the principal residence that you declare as your homestead, is immune from the claims of all but 3 categories of creditor claimants. We don't have an exception for when you have a cash-out mortgage to go on a vacation or to go play the ponies or anything like that. The point of the homestead exemption, which is Article 10, Section 4A of the Florida Constitution, is that people are not going to subject their families and themselves to a loss of hope and to poverty because of their ill-advised decisions or because somebody advised them to do something they shouldn't be doing with their most important home asset. So that's our second area of New Hope, is testing that as a defense. And you all have been on the forefront of helping the law evolve to the just law that needs to be in this state and in this country. It's not just that they commit fraud in the process of the mortgage foreclosure. It's the fact that the foreclosure remedy is completely inappropriate to this unprecedented financial crisis in which half of the real estate value collapsed almost overnight in this country. And what's happened now is the homeowner and their families are expected to bear the whole brunt of the loss while the bankers get away with 125%. And that's wrong. Foreclosure is not